Welcome to our channel. We are Teknikforce and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create high-quality professional product photos using IMIMIC AI, a powerful new tool from Teknikforce. If you're a business owner, affiliate marketer, content creator, or agency, this tool helps you generate realistic influencer-style product photos without hiring models, renting locations, or booking expensive photo shoots. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to combine an influencer image and your product image to generate a promotional photo that looks like a real brand campaign. Let's get into it. Now click on the link below to open the iMimic AI and log into your account. After logging into iMimic, go to the influencer section. Scroll down. Now in here you have lots of options. You can create a photo, you can create a photo with multi-characters, you can photo to video, spokesperson video, change audio from video, modify video, conversation video, and a lot more. But in this tutorial, we're gonna click on photo with product. So at the top, you'll see AI model with four options. You have Sea Dream, Nano Banana, etc. Choose the model you prefer. For this example, we'll use Sea Dream. Now, different models may produce slightly different rendering styles, but the workflow remains identical. Next, scroll to photo description. And this is where you describe the environment, the mood, the lighting, the pose, how the influencer interacts with the product, and be detailed. So instead of writing beach photo holding a product, write something like a bright tropical beach scene featuring a confident man holding the product in his right hand, standing on a golden sand with palm trees and ocean waves in the background. So the more specific you are, the more accurate and realistic your output will be. But you can also use the AI feature in here. So just click on this AI and it will enhance your prompt right away. And next, let's move on to product description. So here you have to describe the product features, the colors, the packaging details, key characteristics, branding elements. So for example, blue sunscreen bottle, SPF 50 plus, reef safe formula, tropical coral design, modern packaging. So this ensures the AI understands how to present your product correctly in the generated image. So next is to select one influencer image to feature with your product. So just select your influencer. So for now, only one influencer image can be active at a time. And if you want to change it, just click on clear selection. Next, go to product image. So upload a clear image of your product. Maximum is 10 MB. And if needed, click clear selection to replace it. So make sure your product image is high resolution and clean for best results. Next is to select your aspect ratio. So available options include match input image, square, standard, portrait, 3 by 4 landscape, portrait 9 by 16, and ultra wide. So choose based on where you'll see the image, like 16 by 9 for YouTube banners, 1:1 for Instagram posts, and 9 by 16 for Reels and TikTok, etc. Now, once everything is good, click Generate Product Photo. So you'll see the credit cost displayed, for example, cost 80 credits, and the system will now process your request. And the result is impressive. The result looks incredibly realistic. The lighting matches the environment, the shadows are natural, the influencer's pose aligns with the product placement, even the background blends seamlessly. And it generally looks like a professional shot beach campaign. If you didn't know this was AI generated, you would assume it was taken during an actual photo shoot. That's the level of realism iMimic delivers. And in here, you can download the image and it will be then downloaded to your computer. Also in here, if you want to create a video, just click on create video. Next, you have the options to create image to video with audio, speaking video, and motion control. So I want to create image to video with audio. So click on it. And in here, you have four AI models to choose from. You have Kling, Grok, Vio, and Sora. So I'm going to choose Kling. So in here, you have to put in your prompt. So describe the video you want to create. So I have my prompt here, just pasted it in. You can also use the AI feature right here to improve the prompt, and it will then enhance your prompt. So next, scroll down. You can select images or upload new image, but I'll keep it as it is and choose the aspect ratio 16 by 9, 9 by 16, 1:1. I'll click on 16 by 9 and the resolution and the duration. I want it to be 10 seconds and click on generate video. And here's the result. Let's watch it. So you can test multiple campaign concepts in minutes instead of days. And for marketers, agencies, and e-commerce sellers, this means faster creative production and scalable promotional content. And as you've seen, the results look real, and that's how you create a professional influencer style product image using IMIMIC AI. So this eliminates photoshoot costs, model hiring, location rentals, long editing workflows, and such. And if you want more advanced cases, just let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.